Ready?
Car!
Who knew that grade 5ers could go so crazy for a car?
Hey, Chops, that's my back.
Woo! Go, Canucks, go!
Yay.
I'm killing the weeds.
Gabby, what are you doing?
Killing weeds? Wait, I'm better. Watch my skill. I have the weeds.
yourself.
Go, Canucks, go! Hey, that's blue light.
Don't lift up your shirt, pretty please.
We walked
Oh.
around our neighborhood
Woo!
with 5 cars and we came in and we got like a honk.
Yeah! That's just as dirty.
Right, we came here right after the game.
Good. So where are you going?
You guys, there's some coming here! You guys, there's a group here!
Oh my gosh, huge group, Cameron!
Nice honk, dude. If you think if you think there's better Canucks fans out there, they're wrong. Three. Oh, besides the green men.
Yeah, and Finn.
Oh, and Finn. Nice. You guys, car. No. Honk. No. Okay. That's good. Honk yeah. Nice, lady.
Big group. Group.
Got some little toots in there. Well, excuse me. Well, excuse me. Well, excuse me.
Oh, and.
Nev, don't make the video too
Dad,
Just like cup it in the mouth.